All right, hello, Hypercycle community. This is Raymond Mata. I am the lead tech support and also customer success. And today we're going to be diving into the V2 DApp, dap.hypc.ai. That's where you're managing your node factories. That's also where you're handling HTS and your tilling. We're going to go through some of the steps involved in the management of your node factory and the assets underlying the node factory. Now we're going to show you how to break down or disassemble a node factory. Go ahead and go into the node factory that you would like to do that with. And there's a variety of different reasons why you would do this. If you want to continue being a node factory owner, the reason that you would do this is you're wanting to move the node factory to another wallet. So on the Ethereum side, the only way to move a node factory to another wallet is to disassemble it and recreate it in the new wallet. Okay. With the AND fees on base, you can move that asset from wallet to wallet and the ownership follows the asset. On the ETH side, you have to cancel the share associated with the node factory. The assets that are created by that canceled operation can then be transferred to another wallet, and those assets are HYPC and the license. Okay? So in order to cancel a share, in order to disassemble your node factory, you're going to come into the node factory, you're going to come down to settings, and then you're going to come down to votings. So what cancel share is doing is it's creating a vote for the majority of the S token holders. In this case, most likely is going to be you, unless you're sharing your S tokens with others. When you have majority S token ownership, you're able to take actions like cancel a share, which in this case is disassembling the node factory. So the first step is to make sure that you have cancel share selected here in the menu. And then we're going to come down and we're going to extend the voting deadline by about 2 days, give us a little bit of time. And then we're going to create a voting. So the voting that we're creating here is the authority to make a change to the node factory, in this case, canceling it. We're going to create a voting. We're going to confirm the transaction, close the extension, wait a few moments for that voting to appear right down here where it says cancel share. We're going to see another deadline of 6/21/2025. And it'll give us some options to take actions on. Here we go. So cancel share 6/21/2025 is when it expires. Here I get the option to vote for or vote for against. Of course, I'm going to vote for. I'm going to confirm and close the transaction. Or the associated transactions with that cancel share operation. Okay, so one of the things to notice after the share has canceled, you're going to refresh your page and come back here to your node factories page. You'll notice that the node factory that you were in is no longer in the list. That's one of the indications that you have that the node factory has been canceled. The other indication you're going to have is if you go over to licenses, you're going to see the license that was used in the node factory now appear as an individual asset. Okay. And the way that that also looks like in your wallet under NFTs, you're going to see your HYPC license here. Okay. So over here in tokens, my balance of tokens before this share was canceled was 8,000. Now it's 10,000. And that's coming from the 2,048 tokens that were used to marry and create that particular node factory. So the HYPC tokens are going to come right back out into your wallet, and the license will come out into your wallet as well, and it'll appear here. From here, you can use the transfer step to transfer this asset out of this wallet into another wallet and also transfer the HYPC tokens into the other wallet that you would like to create the node factory in. So this is the steps for either canceling the share altogether, you're no longer a node factory owner and you'd like to sell off the individual parts or transfer them to other parties or members or people, and or you want to move the node factory over to another wallet, in which case it's the same steps. You're just moving the HYPC that was released and also this license into the new wallet. Once you are in the new wallet, you come back into the node factory creation wizard and you create a new node factory. That completes the disassembly of the node factory guide.